Hi, it's Richard Woodward here with Service First Mortgage. Are you in the market to buy a house? Well, you're tuning into the weekly mortgage rate update. So this is September 28th, 2018, and this week we saw the Fed increase the interbanking offering rates by 0.25%. That didn't do a whole lot to interest rates. In fact, the day that it happened, the bond market decreased slightly, so it was not so bad. But over the last, we are currently at a 7-year high as far as interest rates. So yes, they are trending higher as we go through the year, and the Fed is expected to raise rates again in December. So I don't see this trend of higher rates stopping anytime soon. But don't let that be, if you're a first-time home buyer, don't let that scare you. Interest rates where they are right now are still historically low. If you look over a 30-year period, this is still one of the lower parts of the interest rate spectrum. So still a great time to buy a house. Your interest that you're paying on purchasing a home is still tax deductible in most scenarios. You talk to your accountant to make sure. But buying a house is about the only way for the average American to gain wealth. So let's get you out there and help you buy a house. Don't be afraid. You don't have to have 20% down. I can get you a mortgage in a lot of cases with 0 down if you're buying in the rural areas or if you're a veteran. If you're a first-time home buyer, there's an incredible loan program with only 3% down. So there's lots of opportunities. The housing market is slowed somewhat, so you're not having to fight with 5 different or 10 different people over one single property. And in fact, there are some opportunities for you to get your closing costs paid for by the seller because the market is returning to a more normal stance. So if you want to buy a house, share this with your realtor. Talk to your realtor. There's great opportunities out there. Or give me a call. I work with some of the best realtors in the Dallas marketplace, and I can refer you a top agent. So we're here to help you. We'll get you the best loan possible, even with down payment assistance in some cases. But we're here to help you make home ownership part of your dream and help you create wealth. So give me a call today at 214-945-1066. Again, 214-945-1066, and I'll walk you through your home approval from start to finish. We'll make it happen for you, and I'm looking forward to talking to you. Again, thanks so much. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week for your next mortgage market update.